So I was showing my 9-year-old son some of my outfit montages from last week's capsule wardrobe video. He's like, but you don't wear any of those outfits. And I was sort of taken aback. And so I finally was like, oh, I do, you know, especially when I go somewhere. So then he responded with, well, yeah, but you never go anywhere. And so I've been thinking about that for at least a week. Yeah. So then I was having the conversation with my husband, telling him about my conversation with my son, and I said, he's right, I don't go anywhere. In the last 10 years, I went from a prestigious fashion role and would see people all the time where I got to present myself in this super confident, defined way. So then sort of transitioning through that decade, getting to where I am now, where I'm a full-time mom to 3 boys and a full-time YouTube content creator. I mean, I'm the most isolated I've ever been, and I have no time to go anywhere. So, yeah. And that's fine. I love being a mom. I love my YouTube channel. But a comment still got to me because I thought to myself, like, am I being inorganic? So I looked back at the outfits and I realized, no, I was true to my statement that I would wear each and every one of these outfits if I was going somewhere. And I more mean maybe in a more elevated environment, a more professional environment like I used to have or like I used to do. Made me realize that I have been reverting back to my visual stylist days. So I am the brief. I was the brief. I am the mannequin. But it still had me thinking, what does that mean for my everyday style? For the person that I am now?
Blue sky haze. Used to live a picture perfect day. Drunk punch, love disappear. Forever without a trace. Salty wounds crush me, spinning out of control. Don't know what made you leave. Maybe I'd rather not know. Yeah, I'm drowning all these feelings. Wish that I could just go sober. From you leaving, I'll keep drowning in the feeling, buried in this blue cold ocean.
The truth, friends, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and some days it takes every little speck of energy that I can somewhat muster to pull together an outfit. And sometimes I don't actually recognize the person that's staring back at me in the mirror.
My heart melts like ice cream. Salty wounds crush me, spinning out of control. Don't know what made you leave. Maybe I'd rather not know. Yeah, I'm drowning all these feelings. Wish that I could just go sober, but I'm haunted from you leaving.
I do not have it all figured out. And all that you see on this channel is me. It's just a version of me that maybe isn't always the version I currently am at that moment. A combination of who I once was, who I will be again someday, and who I still am today.
Drowning in the feeling.
But for today, this video, these outfits, they're for me and the life I live now. And although I miss that version of myself and mourn her loss, I'm very proud of this version of who I am today.
Drowning in the feeling.
What I do know is this: on the days that I do dress in an elevated way, it reminds me that I am the best version of myself and just how badass I am. And even when life is a little more isolating or maybe not as glamorous, that it is still iconic. And I am iconic in it. Life is always better in a good outfit.